Hi guys, it's Mia again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a cute little cheetah print phone wallet purse. So first you want to go ahead and grab a piece of vinyl. I used the cheetah print vinyl and cut it 6 3/4 by 7 inches. I also cut a piece of decovile and I just fused it to the back of that panel. Then you place the fusible fleece on top of those layers and just kind of iron it on lightly. Then I cut a piece of the cheetah fabric 6 3/4 by 7 inches. And then I also just cut a piece of fusible fleece to go onto the back of that and just iron that on. So as you can see in this photo, the layers are gonna be layered like this. You're gonna have your inside layer, then your fusible fleece touching the other fusible fleece and your outside layer. So in this next photo, we're gonna make the card cascade pocket. So this is gonna be the little pocket that's on the left side of your wallet. It's just made of a couple layers of fabric and the little card cascade. Another piece of fabric and lay it on top of the card cascade, and once you flip that backwards and press it, that's going to become the little pocket on the left side of the wallet. So this little pocket is going to hold your cards, and then you can also put money behind that little pocket. It's going to be a little slip pocket. So once you have that all pressed up, we're going to go ahead and start working on the little coin pouch that's going to go in the middle of your wallet. So let's cut out 4 pieces for your coin pouch, and you also will need a little zipper, maybe about 7 inches, not too long. You're going to take your layers and attach it to your zipper like I did in this photo, and then you're going to press your layers and then top stitch like you see here in this photo. And this is just showing you guys how it should look once you have those 2 layers. And you're going to place that zipper on top of the other inside lining piece, and then attach the other little layer right on top of the zipper like this. And then you're going to go ahead and sew those down using your zipper foot. And then after you sew those down, you're going to press them open and top stitch those layers together. Open your zipper a little bit, so that way when you get ready to turn your little coin pouch, you can turn it easily without having to pull the zipper open. Leave a little opening in your lining so that way you can turn it. You're going to go ahead and sew all the way around that little pouch. Leave about 2 inches open. And then once you sew all the way around, cut off your excess zipper and go ahead and turn your little pouch inside out. And then you want to go ahead and close up the opening to the inside where you turn the pouch. So once you close up the little opening like you see here in this photo, after that you should have your little coin pouch all put together. So after we have the card pouch finished, we're going to go ahead and stitch it down to the inside of your phone wallet case. So you're going to pin it right on the inside, right in the middle. And then after you pin it, we can go ahead and just stitch it down right along the edge of the bottom of the coin pouch, as you can see in that photo. Now we're going to work on attaching our D-ring pieces so that way you can turn it into a little crossbody. And go ahead and cut out 4 little bitty pieces of elastic. A little bit wider elastic would be better than the small little thin elastic like I used, and that way it'll hold your phone really well. And you're going to go ahead and stitch it down to the 4 corners of the back side of the wallet, as you can see here. After you attach your elastic, it is going to bunch up just a little bit, but once you sew it onto the back layer, the whole front layer, it's going to lay flat. So now you're going to see I'm working on the flap. So I just took 2 pieces with a little bit of fusible fleece, right sides facing, and sewed it together to make the flap. And then I'm going to just top stitch around the entire flap. Now you can go ahead and attach your flap on to the right side of your wallet. You can go ahead and pin it onto the right side and then stitch across that flap. It should look something like this. And then after you stitch across the flap, you can go ahead and add your snap closure. You can use your female end of your snap on the flap and then use your male end of your snap to go ahead and attach it to the left side of the wallet. You can sew the top and the bottom of the wallet, but leave the left side unstitched so that way you can add the male side of the snap onto the wallet. Now that the snap is attached, your wallet is almost complete. You can go ahead and stitch all the way around the wallet now. You should already have the top and bottom stitched, but you can go ahead and stitch all the way around the front layers and the back layers, and then cut a little bit of bias binding and bind around the entire wallet. And then after you do that, your wallet is complete, you guys. It's a really cute wallet. It's very functional, and it was so much fun to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.